Growing up, my Nonna made chicken cacciatore for the family. It was one of my favorite dishes that she made. This recipe is inspired by my Nonna. I hope this dish brings you much love and joy to you and your family. Here you will see the ingredients that you need to make your chicken cacciatore. Olive oil, garlic, oregano, a 2 to 3 pound frying chicken, San Marzano D.O.P tomatoes that offer very good quality and delicious flavor, mushrooms, onions, salt, chopped parsley, and some Parmesan to grate over your meal, as well as flour, salt, and pepper to prepare your flour mixture to coat your chicken. So we've coated our chicken with the combined flour mixture. Our chicken is prepped and ready to go. We have our heated olive oil in a skillet. We're going to add some garlic to that to lightly brown and prepare our coated chicken to go into the skillet to brown both sides. So, do you have a dish, a recipe, a family meal, something that was unique to your family that you grew up on? Is there a recipe that was one of your favorites that your mother, grandmother, father, grandfather made for you? If so, comment below. We'd love to start a conversation and just love the heart of family meals and the memories that they make. So we're coating, looking good, covering the other side with the olive oil and the garlic. We're gonna brown this side now. Beautiful. Now we've sieved our tomatoes and we're going to add those to the chicken and coat your chicken with the tomatoes, stir it around. I wish you could smell the garlic. It smells so divine. Let's add our oregano, some salt, and our red chili pepper flakes, or you could use black pepper as well, and mix all of this together. Combine it very well. I like to turn the chicken around, just coat all the pieces, just get it all combined really well. This is where I like to add the fresh chopped parsley, and you can see everything's just marrying really well, bubbling over with joy. I'm browning mushrooms and onions on the side in butter, and I'm going to add those to my chicken and tomato based sauce here. You don't have to add the mushrooms and the onions. I like the savoriness of the mushrooms and the flavor of the onion. You could also add green bell pepper. You can vary it up as you like. I would pair this chicken cacciatore with a lighter fruit-forward red wine. I love the Meadowcroft Pinot Noir with its silky red fruits, making a fine companion to the tomato-based dish. I enjoyed cooking with you today. See you next time. Blessings in the kitchen, y'all.